Well, I think that's pretty much the rewire done. They've just left, having signed off the installation. I'm not quite sure if the terms are right there, but they sent off a certificate and then it will get signed off to the NCIS, I want to say. Something like that. Anyway, we're going to go in the cellar quickly and see the board. Hang on, I'll turn this back on when we get down there. The mystery of this switch was solved. It is for the hallway light. It just wasn't connected. I think they needed some kind of different switch. And over here, which was a double, is now a single because it doesn't need to be a double. So I think they just didn't have one. That was all. So let's have a look at the board. I've not done anything in here extra. Shit the bed. But there is our board with current labels on them. Now I'm going to do something that probably shouldn't do, and I'm going to take off the front panel. So the cover did have this thing on that says isolate isolate supply before removing cover. Yeah, I didn't do that. So here it is. I'm so pleased with how this fuse board looks. It looks super clean, like everything looks nice and clean. I'm pleased. So you can see them all labelled up there. Hopefully that's in focus. I can't see on the screen, but basically we've got first floor lighting, we've got lighting in the cellar, media cupboard socket. So these two are for the cellar. So you've got lights and you've got these sockets. Then we've got two blanks. Those are for the future kitchen renovations. And then we've got this one of these, oh, I can't remember what they're called, RCCBO, something like that. I don't think that is right, but that controls this bank. So if I were to flick that off, they would all go off, I think. Let's try it. Yeah. That does work. Then we've got smoke alarm, first floor lighting, ground floor sockets. It's lost its little plastic thing. Then we've got a blank, so there's nothing in that. Nothing on it, so for future. And then first floor sockets. And again, these are all controlled by this. I want to call it an RC. Oh no, it says RCCB. So I don't know why I added the O. Maybe it's like Great British Bake Off. I just added on. And then this one controls the entire board. And then we've got over here a surge protection thing. So if that little green thing goes red, I need to replace it. We've had a surge or something. Now, I did ask what that meant on, you know, like the wider power supply. Like I get it inside your house, you can have surges, but, and I kind of thought it was only if you have a lightning strike, but I don't really know. Anyway, that's the end. That's the end of the rewire. Everything else will just be cosmetic or networking, maybe. Yeah, it's basically done. They still haven't got the wireless switch for in here, but that will be coming. It's just not arrived yet. So that he'll come and sort that out at some point. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching and giving advice or just sort of commenting. It's been nice to read and it's been nice to make a few videos. Don't know what the next one's going to be. Oh, actually, if any of you have a line on some good 12-volt solar panels, I'd love to set something up in my garden where I can sort of harvest a bit of energy and use that to either power the garden lights. I've got a big car battery I can use, or I could literally run out of the wall and feed it into the nerd room as a 12-volt supply that's solar powered. I thought that might be quite nice. But I've had a look online and I've seen some on Amazon and on eBay, but I don't know enough about solar panels. I mean, I could definitely read up about them, but if anyone's got ones they recommend, feel free to pop it in the comments and I'll take a look. All right, bye.